Wednesday afternoon?
Wednesday afternoon.
I think.
What do you think?
I'm okay with that.
At what clock?
At 5:30.
5:30.
5:05.
Why?
Well, I have classes until
5:30.
You have class at 6:30 or
until 5:30.
until 5:30? So how about Tuesday?
Tuesday, I have classes until 5:30.
Okay, maybe we can begin at about 6 o'clock in the afternoon.
Do you mind to do it in the night?
No, of
I
course
got
not.
something all night. I cannot do it.
Like 7 or 8.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
No,
So we can
But what night?
book,
Every night?
book a room in the library.
So you have courses almost every night. Is that
no,
right?
from Monday to Wednesday. Not available.
From Monday to
Tuesday, not available at night. Okay.
Mm.
How about mornings? So
I think.
Thursday is also. Thursday evening is also.
But I have courses for both on the Thursday and Friday.
Tuesday
no, Friday it's okay.
you are not available for every night.
Not every night, but from Monday to Wednesday.
Yeah, that's every night.
Wait, you're not here?
I got something. I have to attend some class.
Okay.
on Monday, I think the TV is closed.
Yes, there's a holiday. Freedom of
Freedom
Yeah.
Day. Yeah. You got rid of the Nazis.
So only have the choice of Tuesday or Wednesday.
Yeah.
Only these two.
Only these 2 days.
Wednesday
I'm
morning?
fine with both of them.
Yeah, I'm fine too, so.
I'm not available
I'm-
at the night of Tuesday because I have Dutch to take.
Okay.
So I think
You're
Wednesday
in
night,
what level of Dutch?
No,
First or second?
no possible.
beginner 1.
Beginning.
Well,
So the conclusion is what about Wednesday morning, Wednesday afternoon, Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon, or Tuesday after 8 o'clock,
let me check.
or Tuesday. Okay, we can make it on Tuesday.
Oh, so we can meet at lunch hour
Tuesday
from
evening.
12:30 to when?
Yeah, I can do that.
Tuesday evening.
It's an hour and a half. Almost 2 hours.
Maybe we can meet at the lunchtime.
Tuesday lunchtime.
From when to when?
12:30 to 1:45.
Yeah.
Is it long enough or?
Yeah,
4 hours, just 1 hour, I think.
And because the next meeting is about how write the specification, right?
Mhm.
That's the ending of phase 1.
Yeah.
So it should be very important.
Right, very.
We can communicate still through Dropbox, so if we add some stuff.
We can because that's the time where we are all available. You're available, right?
What?
You're available at lunchtime.
Lunchtime, yeah.
Lunchtime
Okay.
is okay.
So we are all available, and then what still needs to be done, we can do it in the afternoon. You have Dutch, right? But that's okay. We are here.
So Tuesday,
Lunchtime.
administrative. Tuesday.
Take
I
time,
think Dutch ended
12:30.
at 7:30 or 8:30.
I take Dutch in the night.
Yeah, I mean, but
But I also have course in the afternoon. This is my timetable.
Dutch course ended at 8:30 in the night.
Yes. So would you mind to have the meeting after 8:30 or?
I think it's too late. Maybe lunchtime is a better choice.
Or Wednesday afternoon. Wednesday afternoon.
I have
But
classes.
the
I have
time-
classes, but then it's
So
okay.
Just to Tuesday.
Tuesday lunchtime.
Tuesday lunchtime.
Tuesday lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
Tuesday lunchtime.
From 12:30 to 1:35.
Quarter to two.
You are just two.
So we fix lunchtime
So-
on the Tuesday.
Yeah.
First topic. Next about the about this week, the past week. So first check the tasks. Check tasks. Yeah, check the tasks. Do you have some concept to share about the subgroup, the mission distributed to you?
Well,
It's okay for us.
for the sensors, we work on it, and we have some stuff. We can put the circuit in the Dropbox. So we can take a look at it.
Okay. So how about you?
Switch part. Yeah, we read all the just hold here that. But we have some question about the.
We will explain it later.
Yes, we have.
Okay. So we have to go to the most important part about the technical part, introduced by Xiaoliu and Paul. So listen carefully because we have to write specification about it. So go.
Okay.
You
First,
can use the board and I check the pen is.
I don't think it works. So maybe we can.
there is no projector.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see.
Maybe
You can just turn it here.
maybe we should first introduce the function of the whole circuit.
Okay.
Everyone can hear?
Yeah.
Can see?
Can see. Yeah. First,
How do-
you do it. Okay.
I will give a brief description of the whole things.
Okay.
So that's why I divided the job like sensor, switch, or control part. So here is the model. For the whole systems, it is divided into switches, sensors, data, locomotive, and then this part is about the signal and the control. So the first thing is, well, this is the sensor. It measures that your train passed somewhere. Then it gives feedback to your control system, to your PIC, your microprocessor. And with the commands, it gives the command to the switches. Then switch will do certain action to turn on certain switches. Then your train will go on certain ways. So that's one loop for this loop, from sensor to switch. The other loop is about how to control your train speed and direction. So it's another loop. From here, so we still remember that there is a board that we can change the speed of the train, or we can change the direction of the train. So that's this loop. We made our change from here, the microprocessor, then also goes to the locomotive controller. Then it gives commands to the train, to the locomotive, and it will also change the speed and direction. So that's the whole thing.
Whole system, yeah.
Okay.
So your group is doing about the sensors,
Yes.
something like measure the signals, and your group is doing with the switches. That is the action part of the system. So my group is concerns how to connect your parts together.
Okay.
That's all. So that's for the total description of it.
The whole system.
I have a question about the board.
Yes.
Because last time,
Oh, this
I mean on the control board, control panel.
this one you know.
Yeah, I have some confusion about it.
And then I will introduce the functionality of the whole circuit. We have a PIC controller and the control panel. The control panel is used to control the whole action of this system. First, let me introduce the action of the train. The train starts at this place, but when they reach this point, it has four choices to choose which weapon to transform. And then go to this place. There is another cross, so you have to decide at this place to decide which path you will choose. And this is another passage you have to choose Then finally the wagon will go to the 4 terminals. This is the functionality of the whole system. Is everyone clear?
Yes.
What we should do, because there is the control panel. The panel have connection to the cross to the of the train street. I try to think very hard to explain it. We will design a software to connect to the control panel, then control whether train goes straight or turn right or turn to choose at this point. And there you can see there are some English characters on the board. It's just the location of the sensor.
Yes. The English chat.
Yeah.
We don't have them in Portuguese.
And so we have put sensors at this location, and there are 3. You can from the technical menu, you can see 3 different colors of these holes. It means one hole is there is a connection from this point to that point. The control panel. There is the same color hole corresponding to the same color hole at these positions. This is the whole system, and this is the keyboard.
Okay.
What's your problem?
It's sometimes you should put the truck into the position, yeah.
Track.
I mean
To change the
cargo.
position of the
Yeah, we have
rails. You have switches where you it's not switch, where you put the voltage
Switches.
and they change.
Last time I missed the presentation for this.
Yeah.
But you have some switches there in the controller.
There are some switches under the board, and you can choose the train to go this direction or that direction.
The room is open now. We can go there to see the.
It's open?
It is
Yeah, the room is open.
There is
Yes, maybe we can go there.
there's a
Just
group
be
there now,
clear.
but there are two tracks, so we can go look at one. Yeah.
Okay.
Then we can much more clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we can go
Can
there.
we
Sorry,
pass
that's
the
all.
video? And then
No, we'll take a video with us in the corridor.
Oh,
okay.
So,
We should do that now.
lock the door.
Then
Before the journalist, take the
Yeah.
video to view all of us.
no, so
Bring our teacher to the.
yeah.
So you can leave the thing here, I can.
No,